Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Wisefuss. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you as we dive into the world of MidJourney AI. We'll be teaching you how to create stunning mock-up images, perfect for showcasing t-shirts and wall art. Whether you are a designer, a print-on-demand enthusiast, or just looking to spruce up your portfolio, this tutorial is for you. So grab your creativity and let's get started. Before we jump into practical steps, let's briefly understand what MidJourney AI is. It is a powerful AI tool that uses prompts to generate realistic images. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring how to use MidJourney to create eye-catching mockups for t-shirts and wall art. Let's kick things off with t-shirt mockups. Mockup images are essential for showcasing your designs, and MidJourney can help you create some amazing ones. As you can see, we are inside MidJourney through Discord. The first step is to type /imagine to initiate the creative process. But don't worry, we have got some fantastic prompts ready for you. We found these prompts on a website called promptbase.com. Our first prompt is designed for clothing mockups that include people. It is versatile, allowing you to customize various aspects. Here's a breakdown. We start with brackets as these are variables, a person, which you can change to suit your needs, such as woman, man, girl, or boy, and even add more details like ethnicity, hairstyle, or hair color. Next, specify the clothes. In this case, we'll use the dress. You can change the background color by replacing color with your choice, like blue, or experiment with your textures like brick or wood. Don't forget to adjust the version, if needed the aspect ratio, to control the mockup's dimensions. Once you hit enter, MidJourney will work its magic and generate a variety of results. Scroll through them and pick your favorites. To enhance their quality, use the upscale option. Our second prompt is perfect for clothing mockups without people, featuring stylish hanger presentations. Here's what you need to adjust. Replace cloths with your product like t-shirt and red t-shirt. Customize the background description, for example, window and black brick wall. Don't forget to change the version and aspect ratio if needed. Running this prompt generates mockups with a stylish hanger presentation. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds and product types. Now, let's shift our focus to wall art mockups. Wall art is a fantastic way to showcase your designs to art pieces. Adjusting the variables for wall art mockups is straightforward. Here's what you can customize. Modify the piece of furniture that appears beneath the wall art, such as vintage chair, bed, table, or chair. Choose the style of the room, modern or old-fashioned. Adjust the room setting as needed, such as living room, bedroom, etc. Running this prompt will generate wall art mockups in various room styles, allowing you to visualize your designs in different settings. The beauty of MidJourney is that it offers a world of creative possibilities. You can customize the prompts, experiment with different variables, and let your imagination run wild. That brings us to the end of this MidJourney AI mockup tutorial. We hope you have enjoyed learning how to create captivating t-shirt and wall art mockups. Remember, MidJourney is a powerful tool that can elevate your design presentations to next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, keep exploring, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy designing with MidJourney AI.